This video will show you how to submit a help desk ticket in Shakopee Schools. The first method that you can do is email the help desk, and that'll be helpdesk@shakopee.k12.mn.us. This will automatically create a ticket in the help desk system and route it to the appropriate staff member. When you are creating a ticket, remember to include any details such as a student's name, and ideally, if you can include their ID number, that can also help. And then include any details of steps that you've already completed, and then you can click Send. The other method that you can use to create a help desk ticket is to open up the ClassLink Launchpad, which you can find in your Shakopee bookmarks, and then click on Incident IQ. You'll see here that it also says Help Desk, and it will automatically log you into the system. There are a couple benefits of going through the web portal here. One is that it allows you to route your ticket more effectively. For example, if something is needing to go to a different staff member than your building tech, then it will be routed to them automatically. And it also allows you to tag students that might be having issues within your class. So what I'm going to do is click on plus new ticket. It's going to ask me, do I have an issue with one of my devices? Do I have an issue with software that I'm using in class? Do I have issue with network connectivity or Wi-Fi? Do I have issues like signing in, passwords, that kind of thing, user accounts, or other requests if I'm not sure? I'm going to click on devices and hardware, and then it automatically will load up the devices that you have assigned to you. So I have an Apple iPad and an Apple MacBook Air assigned to me, and I can click on that if I'm having issues with one of them. You'll also notice that there are other devices listed down here. For example, we have smartboards over here, printers, projectors, those kinds of things that you can select. I'm going to click on iPad. Then there are a number of different categories that will pop up here. Let's say I'm having issues connecting to Wi-Fi. I'll click on connectivity, and I will say I can't connect to the network or Wi-Fi. And then I can include additional details about my ticket here. I can select the room that I'm assigned. I can add additional details if, for example, I am not in that room at all times. Most of the time you can ignore this question here about student education records. Most of the time this is not necessary to include. And if there's other people that I want to CC on a ticket, I can select or search for additional users in here as well. And this does include every student and staff member in the district. Lastly, if I need to attach a screenshot or a video of some kind, I can do that here. Finally, I'll click on Submit Ticket. Once I submit the ticket, I can add additional comments if I need to. I also can leave this screen open, and I'll see any comments made by the tech that has been assigned to my ticket. And if I notice that my issue has been resolved, I can click Cancel Ticket and close out the ticket without needing the help of a tech. When someone in the tech department has responded to your ticket, or maybe perhaps asked you a question, you'll get an email that looks something like this. It'll say Incident IQ, and then it will tell you that either your ticket has been updated or resolved, and you can see additional notes here, as well as click on View Ticket Details to see everything about that ticket. And you can scroll down to see what you entered into your ticket as well. If you want to respond to one of the comments made in your ticket, you simply hit Reply. You can delete your signature and add an additional note. And that's how to use the new help desk system in Shakopee Schools.